Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on these Rode Wireless Micro Ultra Compact Wireless Microphones. So let's take, there's a little piece of tape here, you're going to open it up, and there's one here at the top also. We should be able to pull this out. Okay, we're going to see exactly what comes. Okay, you're going to open it from the bottom. Take this tab here, that's the actual microphones. We got some more. Looks like we got some supplies right here, and we got a book. Okay, we got a quick start guide. Let's open up the actual microphones. I like that everything's inside the case. This is going to charge them also. There's some wind socks here, and we have a USB-C to USB-C cable. Ooh, wow, that looks really nice. Looks like there's some pieces of tape we got to remove so that they'll charge. Yeah, so we want to make sure and remove these. These are preventing the contacts from making contact down there. Same with this one. Very important to remove those. I don't think this one had, yeah, this is USB-C. This is the receiver. It doesn't have any sort of tape. You're going to put that on your phone. You're going to put this on your shirt. Now there is a clip and there is a magnet. I like that the magnet will work from either side. Now, this is not a cold shoe mount. There's an actual cold shoe mount. It's a little bit smaller. It does sort of fit in there, but not really. Looks like the charging case. We have a light here and USB-C for charging it. Let's just measure this, then I'll go over what the light means. 2 3/4 by 2 1/4 thickness, about 1 1/4 inches. Let's see how the wind socks look on. Let's go over the microphone is 3/4 wide, up, down, about 1 5/8 thickness with everything. Looks like about 5/8 thick. We do have a light. We have a button. That looks like that might be the actual microphone right there. Oh, there's like there's one here. Looks like there's one on both sides. Oh, and the top. Oh, I like that. I don't think there's any kind of button on this, but we'll see. These just simply snap on like this. Just gonna. Yeah, they just snap on like that. That's going to make it overall about 2 1/4 inches by about 2 inches if you're outside in the wind and noise. Okay, I've got a Samsung phone, but this will work for a iPhone also that has USB-C. You're going to plug it in. Now there's lights here. Those are flashing green. That means they're not paired yet. So once I remove this from the case, this should pair automatically. There. That one went solid. That means we're paired. And then that light on the side is solid also. So now you can just start using it. Put this on your shirt, and it will use it for recording your sound. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Let's measure this. Yeah. Oh, 1 3/4 by about 1/2 inch thickness. It's not very thick. 1/4 inch thick. But I like that everything stores in this nice little case. And then this is a charging cable. I've got this plugged into a wall adapter. Let's plug it in. It's like that light is flashing to let us know that it's charging. Now, whenever you do plug it in, if you've got the Rode app, it's going to ask you if you want to give it permission. Here's the Rode app on my Samsung phone. It's the same on the iPhone also. Looks like I can see whenever this one comes out of the case and unpairs, it's going to show up down here. Again, yeah, they're merged. So I've got full functionality. I can go in and change the brightness, output gain, merged. Yeah, these are very nice. Then whenever I stow that one, it's going to disappear from there. Looks like your device is up to date. Okay, that's good. Split, merged. So I can do split or merged. Change the brightness of the LED, low gain, medium, high. And the device is up to date. So that's not many settings. I can change the dim, the brightness of the LED. So yeah, pretty nice, pretty basic. So I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.